Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video, and today we're building this. This is from the movie Endgame. If you haven't seen it, check it out. It's a cool movie. It's for ages 8 and up, and it has and it's set 76144. Avengers Hulk helicopter rescue. And it has 482 pieces. That's a lot of pieces. So, let's get building. So guys, I have finished the build. Hope you guys enjoy this build because it really took me a long time to build. So yeah. I'm saying build a lot. Build. Anyway, so they also had a lot of extra pieces. I put Hulk's hand in there because you could actually switch it with the Infinity Gauntlet, which was cool. Just prop you up there. If you open this up, you can put Black Widow in there. And at the bottom, you can put Hulk. Just did it like, oh, no, you just put that there. Okay, there you go. Now you can put Hulk in at the bottom of the helicopter while it's moving, and then you just push him down. Here are the bad guys' vehicles. This one is like the main bad guy vehicle. I don't know. I didn't really notice this in the movie. It's actually been a long time since I've seen them. Since I've seen Endgame, so yeah. And fun fact, this is actually my first Hulk I've ever gotten in a set, because if you look here at all of my Marvel, this is one of my Marvel sets. Here's a couple other Marvel sets. Those are some more Marvel sets. And up there, I don't know if you can see them. You could like see the front of them, but those are I forgot what the ship was called in Guardians of the Galaxy, but I have both of them. The first one that they got and the second one that they got. All right there and built. I built half of the second one that they got, and my mom built the other half, and my mom just completely built the first one. So that's cool. So yeah, after all of those sets, this is like my first Hulk, and I actually was collecting for a long time because I collected so much that I got all the sets that have each Infinity Stone, and I got all the Infinity Stones from there. But after that, I also got Cheat Infinity Gauntlet. It's more shiny than the other one. Though someone took out all the other Infinity Stones, I did collect all of them. Yeah. So, yeah. So that's cool. So, yeah. And right as I'm recording the end of the YouTube video, my sister is actually making her first YouTube video.
Hi, this is Danny. You might have seen, hi, this is, hi, so Danny's in the background making a video as well. And hi everyone, I'm making my first video. If you want, you can see it, and the video is Pink Pumpkin. It's all one word.
That's her YouTube channel, and she hasn't made any YouTube videos yet.
I'm making one right now.
Yeah, she is. And so so when this is uploaded, she's not gonna have her first YouTube video up, but this is a little sneak peek of it, so yeah. And once that video comes out, then you guys can watch it and you can see me colliding into her YouTube video. Anyways, so that was the Lego set. And like you might be thinking here, it might look like it's like shooting backwards, but no, it's actually like shooting forwards, except like this is supposed to like launch it, I think. It's supposed to be out and then you launch the weapons. And yeah. So, yeah. And if you look down here, these pieces were to let it land and stuff. So, sorry I haven't made any new Lego YouTube videos in a while. Like, this is like a record. Like, in 10 YouTube videos. Like, my most recent one was the Jabba's Palace one, and that was 10 YouTube videos ago. That's crazy. I've really been forgetting to make my Lego YouTube videos. So, sorry about that. I have a bunch more Legos that I'm going to build in the future. So, my next Lego build is probably not going to be in 10 YouTube videos. It's probably going to be pretty soon. So, yeah. Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed this YouTube video. Lego YouTube video. And, I'll catch you guys all in the next one. Wait, no. Sorry. Wait, don't leave. Please. Leave a like. Subscribe. You know the drill. Said it multiple times in my YouTube videos. Like, subscribe. Tell all your friends about it. Share. And if you guys have noticed, the comments are disabled. Always, because it's a kids channel. And, you know. So, yeah. They're just disabled. So, Hope you enjoyed the YouTube video. And I'll catch you guys all in the next one. Goodbye! So guys, she wasn't actually recording her first YouTube video because she clicked the record button, but then she X'd out the screen. So she got sad. Now she's recording, but yeah. So yeah, hope you guys are still okay with that. But
Hi.
hi, she's recording it right now. You can hear it in the background.
I'm playing Tour.
Yeah. Let me see.
I'm playing Tour.
Your computer is like right there.
Yeah. I'm playing Sport. So, okay. So,
check out her channel when she puts up YouTube videos. It's not going to be like,
okay, so
I don't know how soon it'll be.
Okay, sorry, that was just me.
Go.